In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Grok AI chats. Exporting your chat is a great way to archive important conversations, share findings with teammates, or keep a clean record for future reference. We'll move smoothly from opening Grok to saving a polished PDF, and I'll include helpful tips along the way so nothing trips you up. First, open your web browser and head to Grok AI. The quickest path is to search for Grok AI and select the official result. This lands you on the app where all your recent conversations live. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the chat you want, and give the page a second to fully load so all controls are visible. Next, open the specific conversation you want to export. Click into it from your chat list or recent history. Before exporting, it's smart to skim the thread and confirm it's the right one. Remember that a PDF preserves what's on record, so be mindful of any private or sensitive information you don't intend to share. With the chat open, scroll to the bottom of the conversation window. Look for the three-dot icon, often labeled More or Options. It's typically near the message input area. If your window is narrow or you've zoomed in, the icon can shift slightly, so widen the window or scroll a bit if you don't see it immediately. On some mobile layouts, this menu may appear at the top of the chat instead. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Export to PDF. Grok will begin compiling the conversation into a clean, readable document. This may take a moment for longer threads, so give it a little time. When the export is ready, your browser will handle the download automatically. By default, most browsers save it to your Downloads folder, or they may prompt you to choose a location, depending on your settings. Once the file is saved, open the PDF to review it. You should see the entire conversation laid out clearly, including both your messages and the AI's responses. Formatting like code blocks and lists generally carries over well, but interactive elements won't be clickable in a static document. If anything looks off, try exporting again after a quick page refresh. A few closing tips. Consider renaming the file with a descriptive title and date so it's easy to find later. If the menu doesn't appear, refresh the page and ensure you have a stable connection. And remember, the export is a snapshot. If you continue the conversation, you'll need to repeat the export to capture new messages. That's it. You've successfully exported your Grok AI chat to a PDF.